Ang susunod na programa ay Rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Hello Philippines and hello world. This is Kenneth Laura, your host in Ken Talks. For today's episode, we will meet some entrepreneur and then ask them some questions. So now, let's welcome our first guest for today's episode. She is an owner of Kasar Lechon House and also a parent of two beautiful ladies. Mrs. Ajiming Kasar. She is an owner of Vasquez Meat Shop and also a parent of 3 children. Mrs. Archeline Vasquez. Take a seat, Mom. Hi, Mrs. AG and Mrs. Vasquez. How are you today? I'm good, Miss Vasquez. How are you today? Before I ask some question, kamusta po yung ating business name? Wow, okay, so I have listed some 5 questions for you to answer. Is it okay? Of course. So, okay, let's start with the first question. Mrs. Kasar, can you tell us what is PEC?
PEC means Personal Entrepreneur Competences. It is a set of qualities which help the outline and the behavior and the attitude in entrepreneur.
Thank you, Mrs. Kasar. Now, let's proceed to the next question. Mrs. Vasquez, what are the pieces that an entrepreneur must to possess to succeed?
The PEC that causes to succeed must be a creative one. Determination, integrity, tenacity, emotional balance, and self-criticism.
Thank you, ma'am. So, can you tell us the importance of software?
The most important software for any entrepreneur is its operating system. However, software not only makes better hardware perform important tasks, but it can also help your business work more efficiently.
So, can you give us information about shareware, registerware, and counterfeit software?
These are information about the following. Shareware is a type of proprietary software that is initially shared with the owner for trial use and development purposes. Registerware is referred to computer software which requires the user to give personal information. Freeware is software most often proprietary that is distributed at arbitrary cost to the end user. Counterfeit software refers to a lawful copying of software without authorization.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, any message to our viewers and audience?
To all the viewers, never bother about what people say about it. To all audience, for me, use your time wisely if you respect the time. Respect your parents because they are the only one who think you're good.
Thank you so much to our guests, Mrs. Kasar and Mrs. Vasquez. So, sana may natutunan kayo ngayong episode. So, again, this is Kenneth Laura, your host in Ken Talks.
Give a little love away, put all your cares away. Life is too short for